EFT is one of the leading providers in life safety and security systems across the UK. So Paul, can you tell us more about EFT and the relationship with Pulse Systems?
In terms of what we do, so we look after life safety systems, which predominantly is fire systems. So we install and maintain the systems in order to preserve life. It's really that simple. I met Kevin Davis, who's the managing director of Pulse Systems, on a growth catalyst program, which was run by the Liverpool City region. And when Kevin introduced the business in front of the group, it was very clear that what Kevin and the team at Pulse could do would fit into our strategic goals, because we were looking to enhance the systems within the industry. There's a lot of systems in the industry that don't report in real time. And unfortunately, that means a lot of downtime, a lot of engineers going to sites. No, first time fix isn't great for customers. The compliance isn't readily available for customers on real time.
So you've worked with Pulse to develop a cloud-connected smart fire and emergency lighting system. Now, what does this mean for EFT, but also what does this mean for your clients?
I think if I start with what it means for the industry, would be a good starting point, really, is that we're bringing the industry forward, because a lot of the systems are standalone on site and there's no reporting other than you have to go to the building, to the system, to understand what's actually happening on the system. Whereas through the cloud-based technology that we've developed, we can do that remotely from any kind of device, any location. So what that means then for the client and ultimately their customers or the end user is we can maintain safety from a distance. So we can understand compliance, is it within a compliance period? Is every device being tested? Is every device functional? Because we can do functional testing without actually being on site. Further to that, if there is a fault, traditionally what would happen is the fault would be reported to us. We would get very little information. So for instance, if we use an example that a fire panel's gone into fault, what our new product will do is alert us when it's gone into fault, but also tell us what the fault is. That leads to us being able to dispatch to site, knowing what we're attending. The company that employ us, or the customer that employ us, we can actually have a fully managed service. So they don't have to report that call to us. We'll already know, and we can also let anybody know within their business that there is a fault. So depending on who they want to know, we can let them know in real time as well, via email, via SMS text, by whatever method they decide. So it's truly an integrated approach, this, that we're looking for supporting our clients and their customers by having real-time information off the site. The more time a system is fully operational, the less chance there is of loss of life or loss of damage to properties.